Hi guys, so this afternoon I thought I'd do a full range test on this Kaabo Mantis Mini, aka Mantis 8-inch wheels. I'm 115 kilograms, so I'm on like the maximum scale of what you can be to ride this scooter. But obviously where I live is very hilly, so I'm going to give this a shot today and hopefully get back without breaking down and get back as close to the low voltage cut off as possible without breaking down. So we've got to give it a go, but I'm going on some very hilly terrain. Some of the hills I'm going up are 2 or 3 miles long and they're very steep, so this is kind of an extreme challenge for the scooter more than a range test, because if you've done this in the city or something or on flat ground, then you would get a hell of a lot more miles, and obviously if you're a lot lighter than me you're going to get a lot more miles as well. Anyway, so let's see how we go.
Like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, we're letting go.
Okay, so I'm going to finish off this video here, guys. I've just done a massive route which I didn't think was at all possible. I'd done it and then I'd done a bit extra, and I'm finishing up with 44.9 volts left on the display. Very pleased with that. So I'm going to leave you with the GPS data of that whole route that I've just done, and please like, comment, subscribe, guys. See you on the next one.
I like you hurt